In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate a Mailchimp pop-up on a Wix site. So start by logging into your Mailchimp account, then in the left menu, click on Forms. Then next is click on Create Pop-up Form. Now from here, select the type of sign-up forms you would like for your subscriber. So say for example, it's a discount sign-up form. Now select the template design you would like for your pop-up. Then click on Create Form. So inside the form builder, customize the design, text, and fields of your pop-up. Then click on Save and Review. Next, click on Publish or Schedule. Then in the same page, look for where should it show. So click on Edit Site Settings beside it. Then click on Manage Sites. So here, click on Connect another site. Then manually connect site. Then once again, click on manually connect. Then next in a new tab, head over to wix.com and log into your account. So from here, click on your site's web URL, then copy your URL and paste it here in Mailchimp. Next, select the audience you would like to connect and click on Get Code Snippet. Then click on Check Connection. And if you see connected status beside Wix in Mailchimp, that only means that your pop-up form is already added in your Wix site. Another way is by heading over to wix.com. Next, in the left panel, click on Edit Site. Then next, inside your Wix website editor page, click on the Add Elements button in the left panel. Then hover your mouse on Embed Code. Then next, scroll down and look for custom code. So here, the only thing left for you to do is paste the snippet code that you got from Mailchimp. And after adding the code, publish your Wix website to make sure the changes go live. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!